Let's go through the examples of present tense. We just memorized the present tense chart in the last lesson, and you have learned yansuru. In the past tense chart, you have learned nasara. Nasara means he helped, and in the present tense chart, you have learned the same word but in present form, which is yansuru. So our first word is yansuru. Yansuru means he helps. What if I want to say they help? How do I say that? I go through the chart. Huwa yansuru, huwa yansuru, huwa yansurani, hum yansuruna. Hum means they, so yansuruna means they help. What if I want to say both of the feminine help? How do I say that? I go through the chart. Huwa yansuru, huwa yansurani, hum yansuruna, hiya tansuru, huma tansurani. So if I want to say both the feminine help, I have to say tansurani. And just like that, you can find out the anta version, antuma version, or antunna version, ana version, nahnu version. And this works with all the present tense. Okay? It's not just yansuru, you can use other words as well. Kataba. Kataba means he wrote. But how do I say he writes? How do I say this in present tense? Huwa kataba, huwa yaktubu. This time we are doing present tense. Huwa yaktubu. Huwa yaktubu. Let's see. Huwa yaktubu. Huma yaktubani. Hum yaktubuna. Hiya taktubu. Huma taktubani. Hunna taktubna. Just like that. So, like I said, you can use any other word and basically take it into this chart, and you can easily find out the present version of that word in all pronouns. Okay. So, what if I want to say he writes? I have to say yaktubu. Kataba means he wrote. Yaktubu means he writes. Okay. Shakara means he thanked. How do I say he thanks? Or in present tense, how do I say that? Yashkuru. Okay. Sharaba means he drank. How do I say he drinks? Yashrabu. Sharaba. Yashrabu. Now, you are probably confused right now. How am I supposed to know all the pronouns version of a word? I can see you are using yansuru or you are using yaktubu. But what if I make a mistake when I am trying to find out the home version of kataba or yaktubu? Or what if I am making a mistake when I try to find the anta version of kataba in present tense? So the answer is really simple. You can use ChatGPT. In this age of AI, it's not really difficult at all. You can just go to ChatGPT and you can ask him, give me the huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, antuma, antuma, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu version of yaktubu, and he will give it to you. So it's not difficult at all if you take help from AI or ChatGPT. Similarly, we have yashrabu means he drinks. Yafhamu means he understand. The past version was fahima. Fahima means he understood. Yafhamu means he understand. Yadhabu means he goes. The past version was zahaba. Zahaba means he went. Yadhabu means he goes. Similarly, yal'abu means he plays. Yadkhulu means he enters. Ya'malu means he works. Yaqra'u means he reads. Yazlisu means he sits. The past version of yazlisu is zalasa. Zalasa means he sat. Let me show you how you can use ChatGPT practically. So let's say that you don't understand this word, yadkhulu. You see this word and you're like, what does it mean? I don't know. What does yadkhulu means? Is it a present or past? I don't know. So what you want to do, you go to ChatGPT and you ask, what is the meaning of Arabic word yadkhulu, like this, and it will give you an answer. Yadkhulu means he enters. So clearly it's a present tense, but it also gave you the past version, which is dakhala. Dakhala means he entered, past version. If it did not give you the past version, you could ask him that what is the past version of this word. Okay, I understand the present tense and past version. Okay, what about the huwa huma version, or huwa huma hum, ya huma hunna version? So you can actually ask him. You can tell him that, okay, what is the huwa huma hum or hiya huma hunna version of yadkhulu, and it will give you all the versions. Huwa version is yadkhulu, ya is tadkhulu, huma is yadkhulani. Okay, so in this age of AI, they are your big brother. You can ask them anything. So why not use them as to learn your Arabic? Why not use them? So if you have any question, if you when you are stuck, you don't understand a thing, just go to ChatGPT and ask him. Okay, if you don't have someone to ask, then ChatGPT is your best brother or best teacher at the moment. So go ahead and ask him. Now let's see some sentences. Yansuru means he helps. Yansuru Muhammadun. Muhammadun is Rafa. It is going to replace the inside doer of this fi'l, meaning the translation becomes Muhammad helps. Instead of he helps, the translation becomes Muhammad helps. Akhun means brother, and it's nasab, so it becomes akha. Akhahu, brother of his. Muhammad helps, brother of his. Kataba means he wrote. The present version is yaktubu, meaning huwa. The present huwa version is yaktubu, but the huma version is yaktubani, right? So yaktubani meaning both of them writes. Yaktubani means both of them writes. Al waladani, this is rafa. Waladun, waladan, waladin, waladani, this is rafa. Waladun means boy, waladani means both boys. So since this is rafa, it is going to replace the inside doer, meaning it is going to replace huma. So the translation becomes the two boys write. The two boys write ad-darsa, the lesson. Now if you notice these sentences, these are exactly what we have learned in the past tense example. Remember the practical lessons of past tense? We have used these same examples in sentences, but we have only used the past version of the words like nasara or kataba or fahimu. But when we are learning the present tense, instead of the past version, we are using the present version. Instead of nasara, we are using yansuru. Instead of kataba, we are using yaktubani. Just the present versions. Okay, so I don't see any reason for go through all of this in this video. The video is going to be really long, but I want you to go through all the examples given and see if you can do it. If you can't do it, then clearly you have not understood the past lessons, the past sentences that we have practiced. So I want you to go back to the past tense lessons and go through this practice at first. Only then the present tense is going to make sense to you, and these examples are going to be really easier for you only if you understand the past versions.